The Alice cabinet arrives in 2 boxes. Begin by opening each box. You can label the panels using sticky notes. Inventory the hardware parts to ensure all parts are present. Here is a visual aid to help you understand the different screws. Insert 2 12mm cam locks into panel G. Make sure the cam lock arrow is facing the hole. This will help the cam bolts and cam locks lock together. Attach 6 large cam bolts to panel G. Attach the left lift rail to panel G using 3 4x14 screws. Insert 2 12mm cam locks into panel P. Insert 2 wood dowels into panel P. Insert 4 12mm cam locks into panel O. Insert 4 12mm cam locks into panel D. Insert 2 12mm cam locks into panel Q. Insert 2 wood dowels into panel Q. Attach panel Q to panel K using 3 1x1/2 screws. Attach the handle to panels K and Q using 2 4x19 fixed bolts. Attach 4 large cam bolts to panel F. Attach 4 drawer runners to panel F using 16 6x1" flathead screws. Note, you'll want to make sure the screws sit flush with the drawer runners and are not over-tightened. Insert 1 12mm cam lock into panel F. Flip panel F and attach 6 large cam bolts. Attach the right lift rail to panel F using 3 4x14 screws. Insert 4 12mm cam locks to panel M. Insert 4 12mm cam locks to panel N. Insert 2 12mm cam locks into panel H. Attach 4 large cam bolts to panel H. Attach 4 drawer runners to panel H using 16 6x1" flathead screws. Note, you'll want to make sure the screws sit flush with the drawer runners and are not over-tightened. Attach 4 drawer stops to panel H using 4x14 screws. Insert 4 metal dowels into panel H. Lay panel G as shown, slide the cam bolts on panel G into the cam locks on panels Q, O, P and D. Tighten cam locks by turning 180 degrees clockwise. Make sure the finished edge on panel D is facing the inside of the cabinet. Carefully lower panel F by sliding the cam bolts on panel F into the cam locks on panel Q, O, P and D as shown. Tighten cam locks. Attach panel M to panel F, tighten cam locks. Attach panel N to panel F, tighten cam locks. Carefully lower panel H onto panels M and N as shown. Make sure you reach all the way back to tighten cam locks. Place the caster clip and align them with pre-drilled holes. Do not remove the wooden block from the lift. We recommend using a different wooden block for the casters. Insert caster inserts. Make sure the caster inserts are parallel to the panel. Use a wooden block to protect the caster insert and pound into place with a hammer. Use a rubber mallet to pound the caster into place. Install locking casters at the front of the cabinet. Non-locking casters go to the middle and back. Lock the casters. Flip the cabinet onto its wheels.
Don't forget about how great ergonomics can enhance your sewing sessions. The Aero hydraulic sewing chair is the most comfortable chair, and it allows you to sew for hours without end. It's the #1 rated sewing chair in America. Watch this video to get more information. For information about installing your hydraulic lift, we have provided a short video above. You can also access it in the description below.
Attach 5 large cam bolts to panel A. Carefully lower panel A by inserting the cam bolts on panel A into the cam locks on panel G, F, and H. Tighten cam locks. Attach 2 support hinges to each panel I and J using 8 and 15/32 screws. Adhere the self-sticking rubber tabs so they are off-center on the edge of the panel. Attach panel I to panel H using 8 and 15/32 screws. Attach panel I to panel H using 8 and 15/32 screws. Insert one 10mm cam lock and one wood dowel into each panel W. Make sure the cam lock arrow is facing the hole. This will help the cam bolts and cam locks lock together. Insert one 10mm cam lock and one wood dowel into each panel Z. Attach 2 small cam bolts to each drawer front, panel R and S. Attach the drawer side panels to each drawer front panel. Tighten cam locks. Slide panel Y into the grooves on the drawer sides and front panel. Attach panel T to panels W and Z using 10 1/1/4 screws. Attach the handles to each drawer front using 4x19 fixed bolts. Flip the drawer stop upward and insert the drawer onto the drawer runners. The drawer with panel R is the top drawer. Assembly complete. Happy sewing!